In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a payment method on Coinbase using Chime. If you're ready to enhance your Coinbase experience by linking it with your Chime account, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step together to ensure a smooth setup process. First things first, open up your Coinbase app, or if you prefer, the Coinbase wallet. This is your starting point for linking your accounts. Once you're in the app, look for the option that says Add Cash or Add Funds. This is where you'll begin the process of adding money to your Coinbase account through your Chime account. Next, you'll want to select United States dollar or USD as the currency. This selection is crucial as it sets the currency type for your transactions. After selecting USD, look for the From option. This is where you'll specify the source of your funds. Now, tap on Add a Payment Method. This action will lead you to a list of different payment options available. Among these choices, you'll want to select Bank Account. Once you've made your selection, tap Continue to proceed to the next step. At this point, you'll be directed to follow the Plaid setup process. Plaid is a secure service that connects your bank account with apps like Coinbase, making the whole setup process much easier and safer. You'll need to enter your phone number here, so make sure you have that handy. The next step involves searching for Chime within the Plaid interface. Once you've found it, you'll need to enter your Chime routing and account numbers. If you're not sure where to find these, they are usually available in your Chime app or on your bank statements. Double-check these numbers for accuracy to avoid any issues during the verification process. Once you've entered your Chime routing and account numbers, Plaid will verify your information. This step might take a moment, but it's crucial for ensuring that your accounts are linked correctly and securely. And there you have it. Once verified, your Chime bank account will be successfully added to your Coinbase account. You can now transfer funds between the two platforms seamlessly, making your cryptocurrency transactions even more convenient. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now ready to manage your payments on Coinbase with ease. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy trading.